In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate time in Google Sheets. This process is incredibly useful for tracking the duration between specific time periods, which is perfect for productivity tracking or project management. So, let's dive into it. First, you'll need to open up Google Sheets. You can either create a new spreadsheet or use an existing one. If you're not familiar with how to do this, simply go to your Google Drive, click on New, and then select Google Sheets. Once your sheet is open, the next step is to select a range of cells from A2 up to B7 by clicking on A2, holding your mouse or trackpad button down, and dragging until you reach B7. This range will serve as a designated space for inputting your time values. With that range selected, you'll want to format these cells specifically for time entries. Go to the menu bar at the top, click on Format, and then hover over Number. A side menu will appear, and from there, you need to click on Time. This ensures all the data we input is recognized as time, making calculations possible. Now, move to cell A2 and type in a start time, for example, 9 o'clock a.m. This is where your initial time entry goes. Then, in cell B2, input the end time, say 6 o'clock p.m. Once you've filled in both cells, press the Enter key to confirm your entries. How easy was that? Next, we need to replicate this setup for the rest of our data range. To do so, copy the values in cells A2 and B2. You can do this by clicking and dragging to highlight both cells. Right-click on them, then select Copy. Now paste these copied cells into the range from A3 to A7. This can be done by highlighting the target range, right-clicking, and selecting Paste. With your times in place, you now need to prepare another range of cells for calculating the difference in time. Highlight cells C2 to C7. Then, similar to before, head to Format, Number, and this time, choose Duration. In cell C2, input the formula to calculate the difference between the end time and the start time. This is done by typing XB2 A2. Press the Enter key once you've entered the formula successfully. You should see a numerical value representing the time duration. To finalize this process, copy the formula from C2 and paste it down through cells C3 to C7. This will provide duration calculations for all your data points. Lastly, if you want to find out the total duration, click on cell C9 and input the formula ISSUM C2 C7. Hit Enter to add up all the durations we calculated. This will give you a grand total of the time durations across all your entries. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to calculate time in Google Sheets. It's a great way to keep track of how you or your team are spending time on various tasks and projects. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.